Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
Where have you been all these days?
I was a bit busy.
When will you have dinner?
I will go home and have dinner.
When will you see me?
I will see you tomorrow.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is cold outside.
Is it true?
Yes, it is true.
Is it scorching day?
Yes, it's scorching day.
When will it rain fall?
Still no sign of rain.
Are you in a bad mood?
No, I am not bad mood.
What is your intention?
My goal is to be a helpful and reliable resource.
What is your opinion?
My opinion is always be happy.
How happened it?
I didn't do it purposely.
Don't you like this?
Yes, I don't like this.
Why did you block me?
Because I don't want to talk with you.
Is anybody around you?
Yes, somebody around me.
Is he with you there?
He is not here with me.
Did you meet him?
No, I didn't meet him.
Did you see him?
No, I didn't see him.
Did he eat food?
No, he didn't eat food.
Who do you play with at school?
I play with my friends at school.
May I have the menu, please?
Here is the menu.
Can you show me on the map?
Sure, let me show you.
I need a doctor.
I will call a doctor for you.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
I love to travel.
That's great. Where have you been?
What do you for a living?
I work as a production manager.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
I recommend Blue Eyes.
Where can I find a taxi?
You can find a taxi Taj in hotel.
Can you write it down for me?
Sure, let me write it down.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Of course, here is your water.
Will she go to the market?
No, she will not go to the market.
Do you want to talk to me?
No, I don't want to talk to you.
Do you want to see him?
No, I don't want to meet him.
Does she come here?
No, she doesn't come here.
Can you talk softly?
Sorry, I can.
Do you mend your ways?
Yes, I do.
Can you move aside?
Sorry, I can.
Do you have time?
No, I don't have time.
Are you out since morning?
No, I'm not outside since morning.
Do you lie to me?
No, I don't lie to you.
Is it getting dark?
Yes, it's getting dark.
Are you feeling cold?
Yes, I am feeling cold.
Is it raining?
Yes, it's raining.
Can I switch off the AC?
Yes, you can.
Can I switch on the AC?
Yes, you can.
Who is there?
My brother's friend is there.
Where is the nearest grocery store?
It's just around the corner on Main Street.
Where did you get that beautiful dress?
I found it at a boutique downtown.
Where can I find a good cup of coffee around here?
There's a cozy cafe on the next block that serves excellent coffee.
Where did you park the car?
I parked it in the garage behind the building.
Where is the post office located?
It's on Elm Street, across from the library.
Where do you usually go for lunch?
I often grab lunch at the deli across from my office.
Where did you learn to cook so well?
I picked up cooking skills from my grandmother.
Where's the best place to watch the sunset in this town?
The beach is a fantastic spot for sunset views.
Were they going?
No, they weren't.
Did you go to college yesterday?
Yes, I went to college yesterday.
Do you know swimming?
Yes, I know swimming.
Have you done your home and work?
Yes, I have done my home and work.
Where will you have your next meeting?
I'll have it in the conference room.
Where do you do your grocery shopping?
I do it at the supermarket.
Where do you like to read?
I like to read in the library.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I make my bed neat and clean.
What do you do after getting dressed?
I comb my hair to make it neat.
Do you park your bag for school?
Yes, I pack my bag with books and lunch.
Do you say goodbye to your family before leaving?
Yes, I say goodbye and give hugs.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Jenny.
How many people are in your family?
There are 9 people in my family.
Who helps you with your homework?
My mom helps me with my homework.
Who do you love the most in your family?
I love all my family members equally.
Where's the nearest ATM?
There's one inside the supermarket, by the entrance.
Where do you plan to go for your next vacation?
We're thinking of visiting Europe next summer.
Where can I find a good mechanic for my car?
There's a trustworthy mechanic shop on Maple Avenue.
Where did you get that cute dog?
We adopted him from the local animal shelter.
Where's the nearest bus stop?
You can catch the bus at the corner of Pine and Oak Streets.
Where's the best place to buy fresh produce?
The farmer's market on Saturdays has the freshest produce in town.
Where's the nearest gas station?
There's one on the highway exit about 5 miles from here.
Where can I find a good book to read?
The bookstore downtown has a great selection of books.
Where's the nearest pharmacy?
There's one right next to the hospital on the corner of 5th and Maple.
Where did you find that interesting podcast?
I discovered it while browsing online on a podcasting platform.
Where do you go for a quiet walk?
I enjoy walking in the park, especially in the early morning when it's peaceful.
When do your exams begin?
My exams begins June 5th.
How are you getting on with your studies?
I am getting well my studies.
Do you have a spare pencil?
No, I don't have.
Is he your college mate?
Yes, he is my college mate.
Can you recite a poem?
Yes, I can recite a poem.
Is the weather very pleasant?
Yes, the weather is very pleasant.
May I now go?
Yes, you may go now.
Do you know me?
No, I don't.
Do you know English?
Yes, I do.
Do you live him?
Yes, I do.
Does he work here?
No, he doesn't.
Does he quarrel with you?
No, he doesn't.
Did you go there?
No, I didn't.
Did you meet him?
No, I didn't.
Have you done your work?
No, I haven't.
Have we forgive him?
No, we haven't.
Has he insulted you?
Yes, he has.
Had he already gone?
Yes, he had.
Will he now go?
Yes, he will.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Could you reach in time?
Yes, we could.
Should we help him?
Yes, we should.
Must I make the payment?
Yes, you must.
Is he your brother?
No, he isn't.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Am I wrong?
No, you aren't.
Was he here yesterday?
Yes, he was.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.